video, we will learn how to use copy command in AutoCAD. So from the command menu, you can find here, this is the copy option. You can click copy and your command is activated. Another way you can write here in the command line, CO, CO, copy is here, you can use the command, copy command. So let's start. Make a rectangle. I want to copy this one. So what you have to do, simply click copy and is asking select object which you want to copy. I want to copy this one. Select here. Now it's asking what is the base point, from which point you want to copy. Let's say I start this one, and now you have to give a distance and angle. Let's say I move, copy this side, say 6 meter, then you have to press tab and give the angle. For horizontal, angle is 0 in the millimeter. Your line is copied. This command is still activated. Let's say I want one more rectangle. I want it 12 meter, tab, angle 90. It copied. So first you select the base point, you give the dimension, and it will copy n number of times. Now there is another way to copy without giving angle. So how we can do that? For that, we have to activate ortho mode. So we have to press F8 from the function key F8. So see now ortho mode is on. Let's we want to copy. Now I select this one. I have to choose first base point. I select this base point. Now you have to give only distance. Let's say 6 meter. Okay, no need of any angle now. 12 meter, 18 meter. Let's say you want to go up and go up 6 meter, 12 meter. Everything comes from this point only, reference point. From here to here 6 meter, from here to here 12 meter. Let's say I want to go that side. I move my cursor this side. Sorry, I 6 meter, 12 meter, 18 meter. So in this way, this copy command works. I hope you understand. So in some of the cases, if you don't know that you want to copy something like, let's say one line is here, and you want to copy this circle from here, simply copy from the center point. Okay, simply click perpendicular, and your circle is there. This is another way. From the object snap, this perpendicular, the end point, midpoint, everything will come automatically. So for object snapshotting, you have to go there and click here. You just select anything, end point, midpoint, center point. In this way, you can use a copy command. So this is a simple copy command which you can use on a single sheet here. Okay. So we have another copy command which is clip paste. You see here, this is copy clip. It is from copy clip you can move any copy object from one drawing to another drawing. Let's see how. So I open this drawing here, and many times when we are working on the drawings, we have to change the date and everything into n number of drawings. With the help of this command, we can easily do that. So we have to click copy click. Okay, then we have to select this one. So here, this is a copy click command. How we can do that? Right click here. We want some reference point. Here is no reference point is coming here. Simply use this click command. Let's say remove like this. Simply move this one here. This is another drawing. I simply paste. You know I don't have any reference point here. Yeah? I cannot copy properly. Maybe my guess I put here like this out. So that's why we have to choose to clipboard copy with base point. Here, first we select here, this is my base point, and then I select this one. Then I run this drawing. I simply paste here. If I click come here, then I run the next drawing. Simply paste here. It's very easy. Because you have to put the revision history in every drawing, then change the date, description, or who is the prepared by, checked by. So if you have a number of drawing, you have to do it in every drawing one by one. So this is time consuming. That's why this copy with base point is very good command. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share, subscribe. If you have any comment related to this one, please put in below. I will do it. Thanks.